Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm mutton chops. Subscribe my channel. Let's start making. Onions. Green chili. Tomato. Mutton chops. Garlic. Red chili. Turmeric powder. Salt. Coriander powder. Ginger powder. Kashmiri mirchi. Add some water. Desi ghee. Two glasses of water. After 10 minutes, coriander leaves. Mutton chop salad is ready. Now served and enjoy. Like, share and comment. Coriander leaves. Subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.